Good morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over at Allendale's trading floor. It is Thursday, January 14th. A little bit of sideways markets going into the export sales here at 7:30 this morning. We're going to be looking for some pickup in numbers after we've seen a few flash sales come about for corn and beans over the last week or so. So take a peek and make sure you're watching here at 7:30. Range of estimates for corn 700 to 1200, beans 400 to 1200, wheat 250 to 550 at this point. You got Washington that's still on a bit of a deadlock. You have the second round of impeachment going around, being headed to the Senate at this point. Talks about what's going to be on the stimulus bill, if anything, at this point. And everyone there on high alert due to the National Guard being called for next week. Just a lot of tension in Washington, D.C. Not expecting to see a lot come out of them before next week on Wednesday when we have the inauguration. So take a peek and see if anything is developing through them. But as of right now, don't expect much. Grain, energies, and equities all seeming to take a breather here after a very volatile week so far. On the livestock side of things, box beef, choice, and select both up. Choice up $1.86 with select up 97 cents. Pork down for carcass down $1.06. On the technical side of things, we did go up and fill that most active chart weekly gap that got you up there at 540.5 here yesterday. Went up to 541.5 on the March contract before falling back, closing just about at the open that we saw the gap open. So as of right now, the only gap we have is the gap we left open last night, as well as a gap well below the market down here that has been seemingly forgotten about just due to the proximity we are away from it. But sometime in the very maybe distant future could be a good target to be making sure that you keep on your notebooks. But as of right now, we will be watching this 517.25 gap, seeing how trade interacts with it in the very short term. On the livestock side of things, we're looking at these lean hogs on the April contract. Got a nice upwards push, and as of right now, seeing some oscillation near the recent highs. So we'll be looking to see a good break above this $75 mark in order to resume some kind of bullish trend. But as of right now, sideways market with a potential to find some support down here in the low 70s area. Any questions? Please give us a call, 800-262-7538. Any questions for me directly, 815-578-6177. Make sure you guys call in and get signed up for the Ag Leaders Conference coming up here in 2 weeks. That's going to be with Drew Lerner on the 27th and Steve Georgie and Rich Nelson on the 28th. Again, 800-262-7538 to get signed up for that conference. Today for Allendale, this is Mike Lung. You guys have a great one.